one of my favorite Bible verses is Colossians 3:23 and 24. It says, "Whatever you do, do it from the heart, something done for the Lord and not for people, knowing that you will receive the reward of an inheritance from the Lord. You serve the Lord Christ." I think for me as a dad, as a realtor and as an entrepreneur, as a competitor, this just gives me a whole new perspective on my life and my purpose, and it gives me a different drive than what I feel like the world has. In today's video, you're going to see a little bit of my day-to-day, my time with my family, my time going and checking out a new house. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Did you tell them what you did? What did you do? This is my little man Brooks. Today's a fun day. Most mornings are like this. Read my Bible, get some coffee, and then hang out with this little guy because his wake up time is like 6:30 or 7. So just changed this diaper and got a house tour today up in Summerlin. Pretty nice house, $3 million home. Pretty excited about it. So we're going to do a little video on that and just have some fun until then. Yeah. What? What'd you say? Okay. Okay, so the house that I'm doing the tour of, I drove all the way up there. It's 25, almost 30 minutes from my home, and I forgot my ID. So this morning I had to go move some stuff. I had my jacket on. I took my jacket off and I've had my ID in my jacket, and I left my jacket with my ID. So guard gated community, super expensive homes. Guy's like, nah, sorry bud, can't come in. So now I have to run home, grab my ID, and the listing agent was like, no, you guys got to do it today. So I got to run home, grab my ID, and then rush back. All right, so we just got to the house. $3 million listing. We're walking in right now. Got home, got Michelle some flowers and some ice cream sandwiches.
What? Yay,
Brixton! Here you go, here's your gifts.
Thank you.
Open it up.
Flowers.
There's other stuff in there that's better.
I heard what it was.
Why is the food not ready?
We love...
That's right, flowers. Say flowers. Say flowers.
Do you want to smell? Okay. Thank you, babe.
Ice cream sandwiches.
Yum.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please comment below that you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. That helps out a lot. I just hit 2,000 subscribers and very excited about that. And if you guys are at all looking for homes in the Las Vegas area or Nevada area, or even if it's not in Vegas, maybe I can help you get in touch with a realtor somewhere where you're going. Please feel free to reach out. All my info is going to be right here on the screen and also below. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I'd love to help you find your next home. So appreciate you guys. Peace.